Alright, everyone. Now comes the most interesting and highly awaited part of this course, the Amazon Ads Dashboard Overview. So, this is where all the magic happens, and understanding it is crucial for running profitable campaigns. So, before we start creating campaigns, I will walk through the entire dashboard, so you know exactly what each section means and how to use it effectively. So we will cover things like everything we will cover here, like campaign types, bidding strategies, portfolio, start date, end date, whatever there is in the Amazon ads dashboard, we will be covering here. So here is the dashboard of Amazon ads. Here I can see the orders, total orders. Like I have selected the date for from 16 September to 16 October. So it will show all my orders from within this time period, and the spend and the sales, and obviously the ACOS. And we can see more matrices here. Like we can click on any matrix and will show that matrix there. So it is for seeing our data. And now this is the secondary part that will guide you that, like, the first thing here is the type, campaign type, or whether it is a sponsored product, brand, or display. It will tell you that thing. And now there is a portfolio. So portfolio is a group campaign together. Like here you can group your campaigns together for better management. The third one is campaign bidding strategy. So campaign bidding strategy is how you want Amazon to bid for clicks, whether it is down only, whether it is fixed, or up and down. Like these are three types of bidding strategies, which I will guide you about. This is the start date and end date, like from when we have started our campaign until when we want our campaign to end. And this is the budget, where we fix our budget, how much budget or spend we want to give to that particular campaign. This is the cost type, CPC. And then we have our impressions, like how many times your ad is shown. I already have told you this. Now there are some more matrices, the clicks, that I already told you how many people clicked your ad. CPC or the CTR is click through rate, like per impressions, how many clicks you have got. And the spent, like total money that you have spent on your ad or any particular campaign, that you can see from here. The CPC is amount paid per click, how much amount we have paid per click is the CPC. And now here the orders and sale, how many purchases you have got, and the revenue generated, obviously. And this is the ACOS that I already have told you, and the ROAS. These matrices are of no more use. So these are the important matrices that we will be using throughout our course, and that you must have the knowledge for. Okay, so there are some small matrices, some of the more small matrices that you must have the knowledge for. So the first one is the budget cap. So from where we can see the budget cap, you will have to go to the settings, and this is the budget cap. So what the budget cap actually is? So this is the maximum limit you want to spend across all your campaigns or within a portfolio. Okay, so it helps you to control total spending so that you don't exceed your monthly ad budget. So you can set like you will have to click here, and you will have to set a monthly budget, or this is a budget cap for the per day. So per day, whatever amount you want to spend, you can set it here, and you can apply on save. And like you have to remember that you only have to click on spend up to 25% more than the average daily budget. So you have to click on this, and you can set the daily budget cap from here. But we generally don't use a daily budget cap. Like you can use wherever it is required. So like this, we can set the monthly budget cap. Now there is a billing section. So in the billing section, you can check how much you have spent, your invoices, and your payment details. So from where we can go to billing section, we have to go to this administration, and this is the billing section. So we can see all our billing data from this dashboard. The third matrix is your reports. So you can see the reports under this tab, the measurement and reporting. When you will click here, then there is a sponsored ad report option. So like under reports, you can download detailed performance report to analyze matrices like clicks, sales, ACOS. So like these reports are very very helpful for the optimization, and we should regularly use this. So like here we can click on create report, and we have to like in the report type we have to choose whatever report type we want, whatever data we want to extract. And then we have to click on the report period, like for which date range we want that report to be. And we have to simply click on run report. So from here you can get the data or get the report for your product, for your campaigns.